In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a logo from Wix using their Logo Maker, which is a fantastic tool for creating professional and personalized logos without needing extensive design skills. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and download your very own logo straight from the Wix platform. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to open the Wix Logo Maker. You can do this by navigating to the Wix website or directly searching for Wix Logo Maker on your preferred search engine. Once you're there, you'll need to either log into your existing Wix account or create one if you haven't already. It's a straightforward process, and once inside, you'll find a user-friendly interface that guides you through logo creation. Next, you'll see an option to start customizing your logo. Simply click on Get My Logo to begin the exciting process of tailoring a logo to your unique brand vision. As you enter this customization phase, Wix asks a series of questions to better understand your style, industry, and what you're looking for in a logo. Be sure to explore the variety of fonts, colors, and icon options available to really make your logo stand out. Take your time during this phase as it's a crucial step in making sure that the end product aligns perfectly with your brand identity. After you've crafted your perfect logo and you're completely satisfied with how it looks, Wix offers different plan options for downloading your logo files. However, if you're not ready to make a purchase just yet, don't worry. Directly below these plans, you'll see an option to get a free sample. This feature is incredibly handy for previewing how your logo can be applied across various mediums, providing you with a clear picture before making any financial commitment. Now that you've chosen the free sample option, the next step is straightforward. You'll want to click on Download to obtain your sample logo files. Keep in mind that this sample may come with certain limitations in terms of resolution or file type, but it's perfect for getting a tangible sense of your design. This will give you a chance to see what adjustments or enhancements need to be made before deciding on a final purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a logo from Wix Logo Maker. Whether you're just exploring your branding options or taking the initial steps in launching your business, having a professional-looking logo is vital. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now equipped with the knowledge to download your own logo efficiently. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Enjoy your new logo and happy designing!